This is the Oregon Golf Club, a majestic representation of what golf was meant to be. With its perfect blend of beauty and design, it truly gives meaning to the name of nature's game. You'll find it in the shadows of the Cascade Mountains, where towering pines frame fields of green and sparkling waters thrive with life. Each breathtaking hole is woven through nature, bursting forth colors of blue, gold, and green. Designed by Peter Jacobson, the Oregon Golf Club boasts over 7,000 yards of flowing fairways. Its world-class recreational facilities offer youthful delight for any age. And with its extravagant dining experiences and unmatched personalized services, there's no wonder why it's been recognized as the #1 private club in the state. This is the way it was meant to be. The Oregon Golf Club, home of nature's game.